I think I chose right direction, like career-wise.
This one, can you say that, Mr. Chubby?
Okay, let's do it.
Good morning. Today I'm going to a restaurant. Actually, this time I got invited by this restaurant. This restaurant is pretty big, and long story short, last year September, I actually texted them on Instagram asking collaboration, and it didn't work at the time. A couple days ago, I saw a video on Instagram again. This restaurant is going to be opened next month or something. I don't know exactly what date. So I left a comment, oh, I can't wait. And then they text me and they invite me for like their testing period. So I was like, oh, I'm down. Yeah, it means a lot to me, even though I'm not getting paid for it. So I scheduled for today's lunch. So I haven't eaten breakfast and I'm going to go there soon. Yeah, again, I slept super late again, like 4 a.m. again. So what happened last night is I came back home from work. Yesterday I came back home pretty early, like 10:30, and took shower. I made a video and then there was a comment. Someone told me maybe it's a good idea if you sell your product like apron. And I was like, that sounds actually interesting and good. I think I could do. Last night I suddenly remembered the comment and then suddenly I was brainstorming. Oh, and then I searched how I can sell this. Yeah, I really wanna do it, but start with very small amount, small quantity, maybe 50 pieces or 100 pieces for start. I wanna see if I could actually sell this. I can't take too much risk. I cannot order like 10,000, 1,000 pieces at once. It's impossible, but I think I could start with like 50 pieces even. And the thing is that I was thinking about design. So I made a logo, but I put my face and Korean flag in it. But one thing bothers me is it okay to put my face in there? I mean, if I sell apron, eventually I want to sell this to people who doesn't know me. But if there's my face in there, unless they're my followers, nobody would buy it. That's my concern. And I'm gonna show it. This is the logo I just made. I mean the picture, my picture. There's a few ideas. So first one, put the picture and like a sentence or put my name on it, Ku Kim-sa. Picture, Ku Kim-sa. Or second one, picture and a sentence like I I noted. Excuse me. Oh, I forgot, but like sounds like I'm the chef in my kitchen, or something like that. I had a couple of this. I mean, a few of these. Please give me some ideas. I want it to be a little humor. I don't want it to be like super serious or anything. The third one is no picture, maybe just the sentence and Kukimsa. Kukimsa is my brand name. If I really do it, then I have to looking for the factory. I searched about like whole process, product, ship it to US to my house, and then I open up my shop at Shopify. When there is order, then I put the address label and then ship it to the customer. Pretty much what I need is the product, package, and a printer for the label. That's pretty much it. Last night I was search and then think about it, and then time actually flew like 3 a.m. And then the problem when you awake until too late is you got hungry. So last night I had chocolate nacho cheese with a fried tortilla, and I slept at 4, and somehow I woke up at 9 in the morning already, and then I couldn't go back to sleep, and now I'm here, and now I'm going to Yeah, so let's go to the restaurant. I'm gonna take you there. Let's see. I'm very hungry. I hope their food is good. Let's go. I'm here at the plaza. The restaurant is right here. This one, can you see that? Mr. Chubby. I see there are people inside. I'm actually a little shy, kind of nervous somehow. Okay, let's go, let's go. Gosh, do they already opened? Not sure. Let me double check if this is the restaurant. There are a lot of people and the restaurant is pretty small. I'm not sure if I can take video inside. A lot of people around. Oh, okay, let me go. Gosh, I guess a lot of people taking pictures and videos, so it shouldn't be a problem.
Kim?
EJ came. Yeah, hi.
Hi, it's Ophelia. I'm the marketing for influencer. You're a little bit early, right?
Yeah, it's supposed to be 12:30.
Yeah, sorry. So right now we don't have like available.
Yeah, if you need, I can come back at 12:30.
Is it okay if I get your number so that I can text you when the table is ready?
Yeah, actually, I'm gonna just stay outside here. Is that okay?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Okay, perfect. A little bit hot outside, so.
That's
I
fine.
think this table is empty.
Okay. All right, that's fine. Thank you. It looks like Chipotle or Subway. Hi, can I please get one of each? I put a wide angle lens. Does this look different or the same? I hope so, the same. Well, what's wrong with my hair? This machine is so interesting. Look at this. It's a rice machine, small, medium, large. I'm hungry, medium. Rice come out like this. Wow, that looks interesting. I got all my food. Let me show you. So the rice from the rice machine, I think I'm gonna refill it. I'm so hungry. What's this called? 이거 단호박 튀김인데? And chicken nugget, chicken wings, and is that taro? And dim sum. This looks like pork. We have a similar dish in Korea too. We have like 장조림. Then this one, I'm not sure. This one looks like minced beef with vegetables, stir fry. Oh, that looks good. Fried shrimp and cabbage. Okay, let me try. Okay, I'm gonna switch my rice in front of me. I'm so awkward, like talking like this. 맛있네. This looks like Korean 백반집, Korean style restaurant in Korea. They usually give out many kinds of banchan side dishes, at least like 5 or 6. And there's always one main dish, fish or pork. And then they always give out a small soup as well. That costs like 7,000 won, 8,000 won in Korea. I don't know how much it is these days. But when I was in Korea, it was like 7,000 won, like $5 in USD. Yeah, the concept is very similar, but Chinese food. Let's see this one, red meat. It's tomato based. 이것도 맛있는데? But what's this vegetable? I feel like it's garlic stem, maybe? I like the texture, they didn't overcook. This one you have to use spoon. There's bell pepper and celery as well. I like this vegetable texture. It's very, very cool. I'm not a big fan of chicken nugget, but let me try. Chicken nugget. Actually, they have soup. Let me grab some soup. I got some seaweed egg drop soup. I think they forgot to put seasoning. It's just water. It doesn't have taste, like no salt, I think. Maybe they forgot. Let's do dim sum. 뭐야 이게? There's mushroom and rice inside. It's full of carbs. Oh, it's not my thing. Let me try cabbage. This one is pretty good. Oh, it's spicy. You know the Chinese naan thing? I don't know what they're called. Oh, it's spicy. Mara or something? Oh, it's spicy. Ooh. Overall, the foods are good. The thing is that even though it's all you can eat, I don't think I can eat more than one round. It's a lot of food. I'm actually excited about this shrimp. I like shrimp, but I don't like the peel. I don't know what the seasoning is. I want to explain what it is, but I don't know what it is. I'm so sorry. And chicken wings. Oh, it's really spicy. I like it. They fried pretty well. It's pretty crispy. I want Dr. Pepper, but it says out of service. But they are not ready yet. They have peach slush, strawberry slush, jasmine tea, hot milk tea, jasmine milk tea. What should I drink? Jasmine tea has caffeine. The chicken is pretty spicy actually. I like this one and this pork dish here. These two. Actually, I'm getting full, but I'm not full. I'm gonna have another bowl of rice, but small. Let me get one more bowl of rice. I'm 80% full, but I want some more. Second round, I refill the rice. I feel like I'm gonna regret after this, because I feel now I'm 90% full. Okay, let's do it. One more spoon and I'm done. Alright, I'm full. I gotta go work soon. It was a good time here. I got jasmine tea. It's unsweetened. I like unsweetened tea, coffee. Sometimes I like sweet things too, but sometimes. I don't know why I'm saying that. I feel like I have to feed up audio. Maybe that's why I'm talking like I'm gonna be me. I'm gonna be me. It was good. Let me wrap it up, clean up the table and leave. Wow. I'm back home. And on the way back, I had a lot of thoughts, feeling. So today I went to the restaurant and I got invited. They really good took care of me. I felt like it was kind of special feeling. Somebody actually take care of me like a special treatment kind of. You know, when if I go to restaurant as a customer, of course any restaurant would take care of them well, but this was a little different than that. That was actually not bad. Actually, that was a really good experience for me. I am not used to this thing, you know, like people take care of me, extra care, you know. On the way back, I thought about that. I reminded about the feeling again. I was like, oh, that's actually nice. But I don't mean like I wanna take advantage of it or something, like anything bad, you know. But the thing through my mind was I wanna grow my channel much more. I wanna make more money. I wanna have more time. So I wanna work hard, even harder. I guess it's not just experience, it's motivation. So today I went there. I think I made the right choice, right decision. Yeah, it was good. it was good. And one more thing is like, I think I chose right direction, like career-wise. Just I started a little late, but I chose the right thing. I'm gonna keep going. Thank you for watching today. And I will see you guys soon. It was nice talking to you guys. And my goal of my video is I want my video to be like, it's really good to watch when you have a meal or like when you have a little free time. Just no pressure, no stress. I'm talking with you, and sometimes I ask you some questions I don't know about. Yeah, that's what I want my video looks like. Okay, I gotta go. I have to go to work in an hour, so I'm gonna. Should I take a rest, or should I edit this video? Let's see. Bye bye. Oh, I forgot to say. I said thank you to you guys, but I didn't say thank you to the restaurant inviting me. Thank you for inviting me. Bye.